Making the most beautiful buildings in Minecraft is always a hard task, especially if you have to do it on your own. And that's why I started this series on my channel where your ideas will be made in this single world. So hey, welcome back to a new video. My name is Ross and today we are actually in a world which is called the Embenkment. Actually, this show is called Embenkment. I started a series on my channel where I created this world, and actually the whole idea of this is that we will make a world together. So your ideas will be actually part of this whole world. But before that, we actually hit the 4,000 subscriber mark, which is insane. 4,000 people. It goes incredibly fast, and I'm incredibly happy that all of you support me and actually watch my videos and consider to subscribe, because it really helps me out a lot. It's insane to see how many people are actually interested in all of my buildings and my creations. So a massive thank you to all of you who decided to actually follow me and actually subscribe to my channel. It helps me out so much. With that said though, I think we came to a point where we have enough people to actually go and work on this project again, because I actually kinda neglect this kind of project that I've started on my channel. So for the people that don't know, this series is called the Embenkment. And the Embenkment is basically just the name that I chose for this season of the world where I will create your ideas. So how does that exactly work? So basically I create a world that is already set or made like this one. And as you can see, it's an embankment, hence the name. And in this world, I will actually make anything that you guys give me as idea. So normally I actually design and create the buildings all by myself. And I always do that on my own, which is not bad. But of course, it's a lot nicer if actually some other people help me with some cool ideas and also give their ideas. And well, in that way, we can actually create really cool stuff instead of that I always design all my buildings. And that's why I created this world. And in this world, I actually will create your ideas that you give me down in the comment section of this video and all the posts and other videos. So if you have some cool ideas that I can add on this world, then just write it down and maybe I will choose your idea and actually make it in this world. As well as that I will add your name on a sign on the building, and at the end this whole world will be free to download and everybody can look at all those cool ideas and cool buildings of all people. And then you can actually walk through your own builds and own ideas and actually try to find your own sign with your name on it. So that's basically the whole idea of this world. Not a lot of people have watched this series, which is pretty sad. But because we have so many new people, I think I should actually show you what this world is actually all about. And the first thing, we have to find Bob. And there he is. I found him. So this is Bob. And Bob is basically a wandering trader that spawned in this world. And now he's here. And I named him Bob. And he is just a resident of this place over here. He helps me out with making the right decisions. So for everybody that doesn't know this series, then now you know that Bob is a very important character in this world. And besides Bob, I think I did like 3 episodes of this world, and I really want to pick it up again. It's actually a long time ago that I have joined this world, so it's cool to see it again. So in the first episode we created this dock, and I really wanted to make this cool like dock, I guess, and with a lot of ships and trees and pathways and everything, and it looks very cool. And then I created this tower and this restaurant attached to it, and also these apartment buildings right next to it. Of course, I had to start somewhere, so all of this is still my idea. But the thing is, I just want your ideas. So that's why I try to pick this world up again and try to make more Embenkment episodes, as long as you guys are actually interested in that. So what does this all mean? Well, if you want to be part of this world and you actually want your ideas to be built over here, then all you have to do is write your ideas down in this video's comment section. You can also do it on the other episodes. That's all no problem, because I can read all of your comments. So just write down your ideas, what you want to see in this world, which is called the Embenkment. So if you have any ideas what you would like to see, and for example a sea monster or planes, or maybe a big huge building, or whatever you want to see, maybe a really cool like historical place or a castle, something like that. Whatever you want to see, just write it down in the comment section, and I will pick then some of your comments and ideas and actually make it in this world. And I will make episodes on this world, and you will maybe see your own ideas getting built in this world, and later down the line you can actually check it out for yourself. And for the people that are worried that I will replace this with anything else, that's not the case. I will still make cool tutorials and cool buildings and everything, so don't worry about that. Everything will still be the same, but this will just be a part of the channel as well. And I really want to keep going with this Embenkment series. So if you want to see more of the Embenkment, then let me know, and I will continue with this cool mini series on my channel. So anyway, it's a short video. I just wanted to say thank you so much for 4,000 subscribers. It's actually insane that we got this far. I actually made a video for 3,000 subscribers, but that feels like it's 2 weeks ago or something. So it goes really, really fast. And again, thank you so much for all the nice comments and all this support that I get. So it's amazing to see that we can get this far, and I really hope that we can actually hit the 5,000 subscribers as well, because we are only 1,000 away. So if this is the first video you watch, go check out my channel, go check out the other videos that I've created, and if you're interested, then consider to subscribe, because it helps me out a lot. Anyway, that's it for now. Today, no building in this world yet. So if you have cool ideas what you want to see in this world, then please let me know, and then I will make the next Embenkment episode. So with that said, thank you all so much, and I see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.